So in this video, we're going to be talking about Planeteer going public tomorrow. According to this article, Planeteer and another company called Ashana both scheduled to Dubai. I don't know. I apologize for my horrible accent and not be able to read words properly. Anyways, they're going public tomorrow at a price of $7.25 a share on the New York Stock Exchange. Well, I don't know if it'll be $7.25, but the company is heavily diluted. I believe that they have a total of 2.17 billion outstanding shares. So at $7.25, let's just call it $10. You are talking about a $10 billion company? No, $20 billion company. We're talking about roughly a $20 billion company if it's IPOing at $10 per share. I think it's probably going to IPO somewhere around $10 a share. I could be wrong, and maybe the market will push it up all the way to $20 a share. But they basically, they're basically IPOing for roughly 10. Well, according to this, private evaluation is $24.4 billion in 2015. So I'm guessing that it's going to be more than that. I'm thinking probably about $15 a share. Is it a buying opportunity? I don't really like to buy IPO, but there might be enough. I mean, this is a pretty big company and it's a pretty popular name, and it's in the cloud business, and there might be some excitement for this IPO. So if you were to gamble on it, I wouldn't gamble big. I would just gamble small, and if it keeps going down, maybe average in, because I don't know, this company looks, it sounds like a solid company. They're not profitable yet, but they are heading to profitability eventually. And there might be some excitement. So if you buy right away, you could make, a day trade flip. But again, this is just my opinion. I don't know for sure. IPOs are dangerous. Will I be making a purchase? I might buy a little bit, like 100 shares. Depending on what, if they launch at $20, I'd probably hold off. But if it was like $15, I might buy a little bit just to gamble that will go up higher. We'll see what happens, but I might buy a little bit tomorrow. We'll see what happens. So right now, the presidential election is going on right now, and the market has not really fluctuated too much. So things are looking good in after hours, even though there's the presidential debate going on right now. So let's just look at some IPO stocks that IPO'd. So Frogger, JFrog IPO'd, and now the stock is trading at $83. You would have made, if you bought it on IPO day, you could have made like 20%. Snow skyrocketed on IPO day, and then it fell back to around $2.17, and now it's back to $2.60. So I don't know exactly what Planeteer is going to do, but the volatility on it shouldn't be too bad, simply because they're very heavily diluted, and I believe, according to this, they're going to be IPOing with 475.8 million shares, and will be available for sale on the first day of trading. So the rest will be locked, and there's only 500 million shares, which is quite a bit of shares to be trading on. We'll see what happens. It could skyrocket. It's not a profitable company yet. Eventually it will be, at least according to my research. So yeah, anyways, so this is a video I just made not too long ago, Nano Dimensions. I can't believe it skyrocketed another 60 cents after hours. I'm happy, but at the same time, I'm a little pissed off because I feel like I should have bought more shares. Oh well, that's just the greed in me, trying to, make more money. Maybe, I should just be thankful that the stock is up and I'm making money, and regardless of, making whatever, I don't want to disclose how many shares I bought or what price I bought it at, but I am up decently, and I just wish I bought more shares, simply because it's kind of like FOMO. But hey, as long as I made some money, I'm happy. So I'm happy that I made money, and it's all good at the end of the day. GM. So there's some news that also came out. GM extends talks on $2 billion deals with Nikola after the fraud, sexual assault allegations surfaced against Trevor Milton. I already made a video on this, and I've already scheduled it for the weekend. It might still get released on the weekend, but what could happen tomorrow could totally change what my video, what I said in my previous video. So we'll see what happens. But Nikola is up a little bit after hours, 49 cents, 2.71%. They're still valued at quite a bit, $6.77 billion. That is quite a bit of value right there, in my opinion. $6.77 billion is a lot of money. If Solo was worth $6.77 billion, the stock would be like $100. Like, seriously, if Solo was valued at $6.77 billion right now, it would be valued at a ridiculous amount. Like, it would be valued at $100 or more. So I have to do the math on that, but quite a bit, because $1 billion is like $15. So 2 billion would be $30, and then you just keep compounding it, so $5 billion would be $100 and something already. So at least I think 15 times 5, 50, 60, 70, $75. Pretty close, like $85. So yeah. Anyways, that's it for my video. I hope this is like 8 minutes at least. Nope, not 8 minutes yet. So yeah, GameStop is up 12 cents after hours. I'm extremely bullish on GameStop. That's all I really have to say. I mean, like, just think about the valuation between GameStop and Nikola Motors. GameStop is worth $670 million. Nikola Motors is worth $7 billion. Logic? Like, come on. Sometimes there's no logic in the stock market at all, like GameStop deserves a higher market cap. That's why I'm so bullish on it, and I'm not selling my position. And if it crashes, I'd probably buy more. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.